Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Ananda Multimedia School and College. Wishing you are well. I am fine too. Today I am here with an important topic. The title of our today's topic is Comparison of Degree for class 9 and 10. Dear students, I have divided this topic into three parts. Today I will discuss the first part of this topic. You know guys, all the teachers of Ananda Multimedia School and College always try to teach the students in various ways. And our school is able to prove its name. Okay students, let's start our today's lesson. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to know the definition of degree, compare of adjective, change the degree into positive to comparative, change the degree into comparative to positive. Degree. Dear students, in this section, we will know the definition of degree. That means, what is degree? What do you mean by degree? Degree. Degree means comparison of adjective. That is to say, the position of adjective in the sentence is called degree. There are three kinds of degree. They are: number one, positive degree. Number two, comparative degree. Number three, superlative degree. Okay, let's go know the details. Positive degree. When adjective is found in normal mode in the sentence is called positive degree. For example, no other boy in the class is so good as he. Dear students, good is the adjective in this sentence and it is found in normal mode, that means positive mode. Next example, very few metals are so precious as gold. Dear students, precious is the adjective in this sentence and it is found in normal mode, that means positive mode. Comparative degree. When adjective is found in comparative mode in the sentence is called comparative degree. For example, he is better than any other boy in the class. Dear students, better is the adjective of this sentence and it is in comparative mode. Next example, gold is more precious than most other metals. Dear students, precious is the adjective of this sentence and it is found in the comparative mode and it takes more before its. Because you know students, most of the adjective don't have comparative and superlative mode. So they take more or most before them. Superlative degree. When adjective is found in the highest mode in the sentence is called superlative degree. Such as, for example, he is the best boy in the class. Dear students, here best is the adjective in the sentence and it is found in the highest mode, that means superlative mode. Next example, gold is one of the most precious metals. Dear students, here precious is the adjective of this sentence and it is found in the superlative mode. It takes most before it. Comparison of adjective. Dear learners, in this section, I want to show the positive, comparative and superlative form of adjectives. Okay students, you may write some adjective if you want. Bright, positive form bright, comparative form brighter, and superlative form brightest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Big, bigger, biggest. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Great, greater, greatest. Large, larger, largest. Fast, faster, fastest. Old, older, oldest. More example. Poor, poorer, poorest. Active, more active, most active. Dear learners, you know, active has no comparative and superlative form. So it takes more or most before it. Truthful, more truthful, most truthful. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Precious, more precious, most precious. Positive to comparative. Dear students, in this section I will change the sentence positive into comparative. Rule number 1. Plain positive degree will be changed into comparative degree according to this way. That means according to this structure. Subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then any other plus singular noun. Dear students, I am again saying plain positive degree will be changed into comparative degree according to this way. Subject, that means firstly we use subject and then verb, then comparative form of adjective, then any other plus singular noun. For example, positive, forgiveness is a great virtue. Comparative, forgiveness is greater than any other virtue. Here subject is forgiveness, verb is verb. Greater, greater is the comparative form of great, and then any other. At last we use singular noun virtue. Positive, to tell lie is a great sin. To tell lie is a greater than any other sin. Dear students, to tell lie is subject and is the verb. A great, that means a greater than. To tell lie is a greater than any other sin. Greater is the comparative form of great. Okay students, next rules. Rule number 2. Dear students, no other positive degree will be changed into the comparative degree according to this structure. Last subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then any other plus object plus extension. Dear students, you know, if no other is in the positive degree and it will be changed in this structure. No other boy in the class is as bright as he. Dear students, no other boy in the class is as bright as he, or no other boy in the class is so bright as he. He is brighter than any other boy in the class. Dear students, last subject of the positive sentence is he, and we use he as a subject in the comparative sentence. And then verb is the verb. Brighter is the positive. Brighter is the comparative form of bright, and then any other boy. in the class. And next part of the sentence or last part of the sentence. No other man in our locality is as wise as he, or no other man in our locality is so wise as he. We can use here so. He is wiser than any other man in our locality. Number 3. Very few of positive degree will be changed into the comparative degree according to this structure. Subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then most other plus object. Dear students, we can say it another way. If very few is in the positive degree, then most other will be used in the comparative degree. For example, positive. Very few children are so sportive as he. Comparative. He is more sportive than most other children. Here, than most other is used instead of very few. Very few metals are so precious as gold. Comparative, gold is more precious than most other metals. Rule number 4, if the two subjects of positive degree are same, then it will be changed into the comparative degree according to this structure. Subject plus verb plus not more or not less plus comparative form of adjective plus then plus object. For example, he is as wise as his father. He is not less wise than his father. Or both are same. Or we can change it another way. He is not wiser than his father. Next example. She is as intelligent as her mother. Comparative. She is not more intelligent than her mother. Or she is not less intelligent than her mother, because both are same. Next rules. As soon as of the positive degree will be changed into the comparative degree according to this structure. No sooner had plus subject plus verb 3, that means past participle form of verb plus then is used before second subject. Okay students, if as soon as is used in the positive degree, and if you want to change it into comparative degree, we can use no sooner had instead of as soon as. Example, positive. As soon as I reached the station, the train left. Comparative. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. Dear students, no sooner had is used instead of as soon as. And then is used instead of comma. Or before second clause. Next example. As soon as I entered the room, all the students stood up. Comparative. No sooner had I entered the room, then all the students stood up. Next, comparative to positive. Dear students, rule number 1, that means first rules. When two subjects are compared into comparative degree, then it will be changed into positive degree. According to this way, object is used as subject. That means we can use object as subject. Verb plus not plus so plus positive form of adjective plus as plus subject is used as object. For example, he is more ferocious than a tiger. Next, positive. A tiger is not so ferocious as he. That means here tiger is object and it is used as subject in the positive degree, and verb is used and not is used, then so is used, and then ferocious is the positive form of more ferocious. Next example, he is stronger than his brother. His brother is not so strong as he. Next, not less or not more of comparative degree will be changed into positive degree according to this way. Object is used as subject and then verb and as, and then positive form of adjective plus as and then subject. For example, he is not less strong than a lion. Comparative, a lion is as strong as he. Or we can change it another way. He is as strong as a lion. That means both them are same. A lion is as strong as he, or he is as strong as a lion. Another example, she is not slower than a snail. She is as slow as a snail, or a snail is as slow as she. That means both of them are slow. Note: when two subjects are compared in any sentence, then the sentence will be changed into comparative and positive, but not superlative. That means the sentence will not be changed into superlative degree. Rule number 3. Then any other or all other of comparative degree will be changed into the positive degree according to this structure. No other plus next part of then any other or then all other plus verb plus so plus positive form of adjective plus as plus subject. Dear students, you can use it in the easiest way. When then any other or all other is used in the comparative degree, we can use no other in the positive degree instead of then any other or then all other. For example, he is greater than any other boy in the class. Positive, no other boy in the class is so or as great as he. No other is used instead of than any other. Next, Dhaka is larger than all other cities in Bangladesh. Positive, no other city in Bangladesh is so or as large as Dhaka. Dear students, here must be noted that no other always takes singular noun or singular pronoun. That means singular subject. Here we can use city, but we can find it cities in the comparative degree. But in this sentence, that means in the positive sentence, we can use city as a singular noun. Next example, Jamal is taller than any other boy in the college. Positive, no other boy in the college is as tall as Jamal, or no other boy in the college is so tall as Jamal. Next example, then most other or then few other of comparative degree will be changed into the positive degree according to this structure. Very few plus next part of then most other or then few other plus plural form of verb plus so plus positive form of adjective plus s plus subject. Dear students, we can say it in the easiest way. When we can find then most other or then few other in the comparative degree or in the comparative sentence, then we can use very few in the positive degree instead of then most other or then few other. Is it clear to you? For example, comparative, the cow is more useful than most other animals. Positive, very few animals are so useful as the cow. Dear students, very few is used instead of than most other. And plural noun, it takes plural subjects. And then plural subject always take plural verb. Next example, gold is more precious than most other metals. Very few metals are so precious as gold. Next, do yourself. Dear students, here in this section I have arranged some examples for you, and these examples will be changed by yourself. Okay students? Positive to comparative. Example number 1. Very few countries in the world are as poor as Bangladesh. It will be changed by yourself. Okay students, you can get few moments. I will give the answer. Okay, let's check the answer. Bangladesh is poorer than most other countries in the world. Next, the novel is not so difficult as the book. Okay, try yourself. Let's check the answer. The book is more difficult than the novel. Next, no other student in the class is so intelligent as he. Let's check the answer. She is more intelligent than any other student in the class. Next example, English is not so easy as the sum. Okay, the sum is easier than English. Next example, that matter is not as tough as the matter. Comparative, the matter is tougher than that. Dear students, in this section we will change some comparative sentences into positive. Number 1, a lily was not whiter than Diana's forehead. Positive, Diana's forehead was as white as a lily. Number 2, Othello is more popular than most other dramas of Shakespeare. Positive, very few dramas of Shakespeare are so popular as Othello. Number 3, this is more than innocence. Positive, innocence is not as much as this. He is worse than any other student. No other student is so bad as he. You know, students, bad is the positive form of worse, and worse is the comparative form of bad. Must be noted that. Next, a jet flies faster than an aeroplane. Positive, an aeroplane does not fly as fast as a jet. That's all for today, dear students. If you learn something from my today's lesson, my labor and expectations will be fulfilled. Thanks, dear, for being with me. Thank you very much again. Khuda Hafiz.